Hello students, you are welcome to OK Academy e-learning program for term 3, and I'm Auntie Josephine, your grade 1 facilitator, and today our subject is mathematics. And the topic is finding the missing addends. When we say addend, it means a number that is added to another number, then it becomes an addend. So 2 is an addend plus another 2, then you will get 4. Good. So 2 becomes an addend and another 2 becomes an addend. So when you put them together, then you get 4. So when mommy gives you 2 toffees and then he gives Kofi 2 toffees and you decide to put them together, you will get how many toffees? 4. Very good. So today we are coming to find the missing addend. So you can see on the board that we have two diagrams. And the first diagram, we have a bigger circle which contains, let's say these ones are oranges. So a bigger circle which contains plenty oranges, and then another circle here which contains another oranges, and this one is an empty circle. We don't have anything here, so we are coming to find out what we will put here to make the diagram complete. So let's count the oranges in this bigger diagram or this bigger circle. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many oranges do we have here? 11. Very good. So you write your 11 under the circle. Now let's count this one too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 here. So in order to find the oranges that will be here, we have to count 5 oranges from this bigger diagram, and then we separate it from this diagram. So let's count 5 oranges here too. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. So we'll do something like this to separate them. So these are the 5 oranges that we have here. So 5. Now the remaining oranges here will be the one that we will put here. So let's count this one too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. So we have 6 oranges here. So let's draw the oranges here too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Very good. So it means this is the bigger circle. When you put 5 oranges and then 6 oranges together, you will get 11 oranges. When Amma is having 5 oranges and Kofi 2 is having 6 oranges, and they bring all of them together, they want to give them to Auntie. So Amma gives me the 5 oranges and then Kofi 2 gives me the 6 oranges, and I put them together. When I count, I will get 11. So 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 will give you what? 11. When you have 5 oranges and then someone also has 6 oranges and you decide to put all of them together, you will get what? 11 oranges. Very good. Now let's come to our second diagram. In this diagram we have pencils in it. We have pencils in this diagram. So let's count the pencils in the first circle. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. So we have 7 pencils in this circle. Now let's count the pencils here too. Have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 pencils in the first circle. Now we don't know the number of pencils here and we want to find it. So what will we do? We will take these 5 pencils from the 7, and the remaining pencils will be for the third circle. So let's take 5 pencils from the bigger circle. Let's count 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we take it from here like this. We divide the circle like this. So these are the 5 pencils. Now the remaining one, We have 1 and 2. So it means we will draw 2 pencils here. We will draw 2 pencils here. So these are our 2 pencils. These are 2 pencils. So we write 2 under the circle. So it means when you have 5 pencils and then 2 pencils and you put them together, the addition sign means you are putting them together. So when you have 5 and then 2 and you put them together, you will get what? 7. So 5 plus 2 equal to what? 7. 5 plus 2, then you will get 7. So now let's take another example in a different form. This time round it is not in a diagram form, but it will be in an addition sentence form. So this is an addition sentence. So we are coming to find the missing addend or the missing number there. So I have 10 and I have 8. So what this sentence is telling us is that 8 plus a number will give you 10. It means if Kofi is having 8 pencils and then Ajua is having the pencils that we don't know, and they brought all of them together, they had 10. So now we are coming to find the missing number that Ajua was having, or the pencils Ajua is having. So let's try these examples. If you have your straws at home or your cubes at home, you can use them. But Auntie is not having them, so Auntie will use strokes on the board. After that, then I clean them. So the 10, we will draw 10 strokes. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So these are our 10 strokes. Now let's take, in order to find the missing number here, we have to take 8 from the 10. So let's count 8 out of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Then we cancel this one out. So that is the 8 there. So the remaining strokes here will be the answer, or will be the missing pencils Ajua is having. So 1 and 2. Very good. So we write our 2 here. So it means Kofi was having 8 pencils and then Ajua was also having 2 pencils, and they brought all of them together and they gave them to Auntie. So now Auntie is having how many pencils? 10. So it means when you have 8 and then 2 and you put them together, you will get what? 10. So 8 plus 2 will give you 10. Now let's move on to the next example. I have 6 plus a missing number equal to 9. 6 plus a missing number equal to 9. So we want to find the missing number. So we will first draw our 9 strokes on the board. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We already have 6 here. So let's take the 6 out of the 9, and the remaining strokes here will be our missing number. So let's count 6 out of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. So we take the 6 out. Now let's count the remaining strokes on the board. 1, 2, and 3. So it means the answer will be what? 3. So 6 plus 3 equal to 9. 6 plus 3 will give you what? 9. When you have 6 oranges and then 3 pencils and you put all of them together, you get what? 9. 9. Very good. So I will leave the 2 examples for you to solve at home. After you are done, we will come and solve it here and see if you have the same answer I will have here. So now let's solve it together and see if you will get the same answer that you had at home. So we have a box here. So now the missing number came first. The missing number came first. So a box plus 5 equal to 12. The missing number plus 5 equal to 12. So we will draw our 12 strokes. Or you can use your straws. You can pick 12 straws from the straws that you have. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good. So we'll take how many out? 5. Excellent. So let's take the 5 out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then we cancel it out like this. Then we will count the remaining strokes on the board. So the remaining strokes will be the answer, or will be our missing number. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So write our 7 here nicely. So it means 7 plus 5 equal to 12. I hope you had the same answer. 7 plus 5 equal to 12. Now our last example, we have the missing number plus 6 equal to 7, or an empty box plus 6 equal to 7. So we will draw our 7 strokes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is our 7 strokes. Then we will take the 6 out. So let's count 6 out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. So we have 1. Only 1 stroke left. So we write our 1 here. So it means 1 plus 6 will give you 7. So when you have 1 orange plus 6 oranges, you will get what? 7. 7. So that is it for today. That is it for finding the missing addend. So we'll give you 2 numbers, then you find the missing number in it. Very good. So please solve exercise 1 and then assignment 1 for me. Have a good day. Bye bye.